Okay, so the cat just knocked everything down, so I'm back. Let's start again. Okay, so for those who are not familiar, the Ipsy Glam X is a quarterly subscription for $55. All the glam bags are free shipping. You only pay tax, so I believe this was $58.50, and it comes with 8 full-size items. And to receive it, you do have to be subscribed to either the Glam X or the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, but this will replace it. So for the month of May, this is my only Ipsy box. So let's go ahead and see what I received in my box. And it comes in the lavender box, and this is what it looks like inside. I hope you can see in there. It has a paper on top. It tells you a little bit about the Glam X and who created it, which would be Khloe Kardashian. Some of her pics, which I wanted that lotion right there. I did not get it, I know that. And then on this side, there are some items that could be in your bag. Everyone, not everyone, but there's several different varieties, so everyone is not going to have the same items in their bag. And just like the other Ipsy bags, you do get to choose a few items, and I'm sorry I'm forgetting, I'll include it pinned in the comments, but I believe it was 5 items that I actually chose. And then they chose 3 for me, so there's 8 items. And then just a little more information, you know, about organizing on the back. Let's go ahead and pull out my first item, which is the 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. It's a 20 milliliter serum, gives you a dewy glow, and the ingredients are rose water, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and then it says it has tiny light reflecting gold particles to illuminate the complexion. And I'm not sure if this is something that I'm actually going to keep or gift, but I will take it out of the box so you can get a good look at the bottle. 111 Skin is a high-end brand. It's always expensive. Okay, and that cost $135 for that little serum there. Okay, so the next one that I'm pulling out is Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pen. Okay, so this gives you nice definition and dense to sparse brows. My color is ebony. Has a superfine tip to draw the hair like strokes, and it's waterproof, and it runs for $22. I'm gonna keep it, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of this package and show you what the tip looks like. So here's the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Did I tell you it was $22? Well, if not, it's $22. And see how that lid comes off. There we go. There is the tip to draw your brows. Okay, so I'll get some use out of that. Okay, so the next one that I'm pulling out looks like MAC Love Me lipstick, and that one says it's in Bated Breath, and it has argan oil for a satin finish, and it runs for $21. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this one up because I'm going to keep it. What a pretty packaging. Little purple and black bullet. Oh yeah. So pretty. I love it. Love that color. And that one runs for $21. All right, so let me pull out the next one. This one is a Patrick Starr Visionary Palette. Go. Comes with 15 shades, neutral and pops of color in matte and shimmery finishes, and it's highly pigmented, and it retails for $42. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out of the package. I am most likely not going to keep the palette, but I'll open it up just so we can take a look at the colors. Probably end up doing it in a giveaway or as a gift to someone. I just have too many palettes, and it would just go to waste. Although I know there are people that love Patrick Starr and they love the formula from these palettes. So there are all the pretty colors, a nice variety. There are actually some really pretty colors, huh? I like this one. Right here, that's really pretty. And it does have the mirror. Okay, and that palette runs for $42. Okay, so the next one that I'm pulling out is the Pink Diamond Cleansing Balm by Rhodial. And this was in 100 milliliter. It's infused with vitamin E, sweet almonds, and rice germ oil. And it says your skin will never feel tight or dry post-cleansing. So I'm excited about that one. And that one runs for $59. Okay, and then this one is the Olaplex Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment. And it says that it's a 5.2 ounce and it rebuilds broken strands at the shaft. So you apply it to your hair at the roots and you bring it down to the tips, you leave on for 10 minutes and then you shampoo. So I'm excited to try that, and that one runs for $28 retail price. Okay, so the next one is the Dose & Company Unflavored Collagen Powder. It's a 10-ounce container. You add it to food or drinks. It's easily digested, and it gives you strong hair, skin, and nails. So I'm excited to try that. I was actually going to purchase this, so this was great that this came in the package. And that one retails for $25. And then the last one is the Cosmetic Train Case. Here's the inside, and then you can see it says Ipsy, a little design there. And then let's just zip it up. And it has a little handle here, and it says it retails for $18. And it's got the little Ipsy change there, so I'm excited about that one as well. So let me go ahead and add these up, and I'll be right back. Grand total of $350, so not bad. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think? You think it was a great bag? You think it was a nah, so-so? What do you think? I think it's a great bag. I love it. If you do want to have a Ipsy Glam Bag X, you do have to subscribe to Ipsy. It only comes out every 3 months, so you subscribe monthly and either get the $12 glam bag or the $25 glam bag. And then if you request this, you get on a list, you request this, you won't get the smaller bag, you'll just get this bag for that month. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.